Okay, we now take a start IELTS speaking part 2, and I'm going to ask you some questions about wallet. Like, it's just a small wallet that you keep and you put your cards in it, you put your money in it and all that. Just talk about it and try to answer directly, elaborate your answer and then come back. So my first question is, do you use a wallet?
Yes, I use a wallet to carry my ID card, credit card and other important documents because it's unsafe to carry these documents on a bag, and it also protect my documents from getting from getting wet.
Yeah, getting wet or getting lost. So
In
therefore,
case it
I
rains.
always use a wallet for
Wallet.
my important documents. That's good. Have you ever lost a wallet?
Yes, one time I lost my wallet on a bus or
Simply, you
when
can say,
I-
once I lost a wallet. I remember I was traveling by bus, and then a pickpocket actually picked my wallet. And when I reached home, I realized in my bag my wallet was missing. So that was the only time when I lost my wallet. Otherwise, I'm very careful about keeping my wallet. Something like that, okay? Let's go on. Have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
yes, I gifted to my husband on his 25th birthday, and
You need to
I
add detail.
think,
For example, yes, I once gifted wallet to my husband on his 25th birthday. It was a very fine wallet made of leather, and he liked it very much. Even today, he has the same wallet, and he keeps his money and other stuff inside that. Just try to elaborate your answer a little, and elaboration should be according to the question, right? So, same question again. Have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
yes, I gifted a wallet to my husband on his 25th birthday. I think his wallet, he used the same wallet in a year, and
Throughout the
it's
year.
very,
He used the same wallet throughout the year,
it's very old, and
but still he has this
he
wallet.
has-
Try to connect your ideas without thinking too much. By the time you stop to think, you take pauses. Pauses are negative. That's one of the marking criterias. Do most of your friends use a wallet
yes, most of my friends use wallet to carry their
to carry their things?
their things like ID cards, credit cards, and other important documents.
Yes, so almost
Things.
all my friends, they have their wallets and they use them regularly. Conclusion, just you are lacking information part. Information means, like, do most of your friends use a wallet? Yes, almost all my friends, they use wallet on the daily basis because they have to go out of their houses and they have currency notes, they have some cards like ID card and ATM cards. So in order to keep all these things, most of my friends, they use wallets.
मुझे सिर्फ स्पीकिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है,
Okay,
रीडिंग
okay.
राइटिंग उनमें नहीं है.
All right. But this is the most important one.
Yes,
You need to focus that. Okay, now let's move on. It's your turn, please. Your topic is about primary school. And my first question is, what did you like to do the most when you were in primary school?
Well, when I was in primary school, I loved to solve the mathematics because I loved to play with numbers, and it was mainly because of my teacher. She made a fun for us, like playing games, and in games she taught us a lesson, and that's why I love to solve the question at school and after at home.
Okay. How did you go to your primary school?
Well, the main thing was a bus.
Yeah, I used to go to school by bus. Then you can elaborate that. Yeah.
The main convenience was I dropped was a bus, because it was near to my home, or I can say that it was next to my home. So it was very easy to reach there, and most of our neighbors and my friends were used to go by bus.
Were used to going to school by bus, so therefore I used to go to school by
By
bus, right? Okay, how do you like your primary school?
I like my primary school very much. The reason is that we have a very strong relation from there. As at that age we are innocent and we make memories without any expectations and innocently. I had lots of memories with my friends from my teachers because my teachers were very knowledgeable and also we have done a very much fun there, like playing games.
Yeah, we had a great fun there, like playing games and all that. So I liked my primary school very much, and I still have great memories about my primary school. Okay, what did you do in your leisure time in your primary school?
In my leisure time, I was used to make some arts, like drawing some dolls and tweeties. At that age, most of my friends love to draw their dolls, and by watching them, by observing them, the art creates in me also. And
Okay, just link it with leisure time. So in my free time, whenever I had a free period in my school, I used to make certain things made out of paper and all that. Whatever you are saying, that is right, but you're not linking it with the question. And the question is actually, what did you do in your leisure time in primary school? So whatever you say, link it with the question. Like in my leisure time, I used to do art and craft. Because in my school there used to be a period art and craft, and their teachers used to teach us different things. So whenever I had the recess time or a free period, I used to make different things for art and craft class and something like that. So link your question answer with the main question and try to elaborate a little more. It will be fine, right? Okay, thank you.